Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 5. Test paper 5. Write some important questions on this board. Is question number 1 and 3. Question number 1 and 3 of group A. Write the reciprocal of. Write the reciprocal of 2 by 3 to the power 4, and question number 4 is minus 5 to the power 6. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, both are same. So write the reciprocal of 2 by 3 to the power 4. A by B change into B by A. So 2 by 3 change into 3 by 2 to the power 4. Answer. And question number 4 is minus 5 to the power 6. Minus 5 means minus 5 by 1. So minus 5 to the power 6, reciprocal of it is minus 1 by 5 to the power 6. Answer. And question number 3, by what number should minus 20 to the power minus 1 be divided to obtain minus 10 to the power minus 1. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. According to question, minus 20 to the power minus 1 divided by x equal to minus 10 to the power minus 1. That implies minus 20 to the power minus 1 divide x by transposition change into multiply x. So minus 10 to the power minus 1 multiply x. Now that implies x equal to, now minus 10 to the power minus 1 by transposition divided by minus 10 to the power minus 1. So x equal to minus 20 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 10 to the power minus 1 equal to minus 20 by minus 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the 20, 2 times, equal to minus divided by minus plus. So 2 to the power minus 1. Answer. Let the required number be x. Minus 20 to the power minus 1 divided by x equal to minus 10 to the power minus 1. By transposition, divide x change into multiply x. That implies x equal to minus 20 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 10 to the power minus 1. Next step, minus 20 by minus 10 whole power minus 1. Minus divided by minus plus 10 to the 20 equal to 2 to the power minus 1 is answer. Write it. Next selected question, question number 5 is written on this book. Simplify 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 8 into 2 to the power n divided by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1. Simplify it. Equal to 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1. That means 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1 minus 8 into 2 to the power n. 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2. That means 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2 minus 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1 equal to 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. Next step, 16 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2. So 16 to the 32. 32 into 2 to the power n minus 8 into 2 to the power n. Now 16 into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the 4. The 16 for the 64. 64 into 2 to the power n minus 4 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2. So 4 to the 8 into 2 to the power n. Now 2n is common. Equal to 2n is common. So 2n common. Then 32 minus 8. 32 minus 8. Now denominator also have common is 2n. So 2n is common. 2n is common. Then 64 minus 8. 64 minus 8. 2n cancel. Now 32 minus 8. So 32 minus 8 is 24 and 64 minus 8 is 56. 8 3 ja 24 and 8 7 ja 56 equal to 3 by 7 answer. Write it. Students, next selected question is question number 5. In question number 5, if 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 equal to 1250, find the value of n. So, first of all, question is n to the power 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 equal to find factors of 1250. 2 times 625. Now 5 times 125. Now 5 times 25. Again 5 times 5 5 25. So 2 into 5 1 2 3 4 times. So 5 to the power 4. That implies 2 to the power n minus 7 means 2 to the power n divided by 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4. That means 5 to the power n by 5 to the power 4 equal to 2 into 5 to the power 4. Now, by transposition 2 to the power 7 and 5 to the power 4 equal to 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n equal to 2 into 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 4. Division change into multiplication. That implies a to the power m into b to the power m equal to a into b to the power m. So 2 into 5 to the power m equal to 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 8. It's also change 2 into 5 to the power n equal to 2 into 5 to the power 8. Here both base are equal, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. So index are also equal. That implies n equal to 8 answer. Write it. Students, last selected question is question number 10. In this question, 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 equal to what? It is an objective question. Solve it. Equal to 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. That means 3 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 equal to 2 to the power 3 equal to 3 to the power 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 minus 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 equal to 27 minus 8. 27 minus 8 is 19. Answer. Students, homework. Solve test paper. Solve test paper 5. Today your homework is solve test paper 5. Thank you. That's all.